Peter Parker's personal life is in a total mess. His ex-wife, Mary Jane Watson, has returned to New York, and at the same time, Peter has fallen into an accidental relationship with his roommate, Michelle Gonzalez. She is a weird girl, always shouting at Peter, humiliate him, even throw his belongings, including his microscope, into the garbage disposal. Peter is not having a good day, and on top of that, he encounters his ex-lover, Black Cat, Felicia Hardy. They are not a couple anymore, but there is a spark between them. But then Peter sees Cat breaks into a building. He is confused as what is she doing, so he follows her. But as they enter inside, Cat points out the whole room is filled with high-tech laser security, so dodges that. Cat then goes for the wall safe. Peter can't believe that she is doing illegal works again. He tries to stop her, but inside the safe, they see a dead body. Cat has no idea what is going on. She informs Peter this has nothing to do with her. She is not a killer. She came here to steal a document. But before Peter could charge her with questions, the two are confronted by the villain Diablo. He catches them off guard, and Spidey gets hit with his explosive ball. He throws him out of the building. He is covered in fire, so Cat quickly reacts and extinguishes the flames from Peter's body. She saves his life, but Peter wants answers. What was she doing there, and what's in that document? But Cat knows very well how to change the topic. She comes closer to him, and seeing Peter, it brings all the old feelings. She pulls his lower mask. Peter knows what is coming next. This is a bad idea. He is a good guy, but still he is a human. And then Cat kisses Spidey. But unfortunately, this moment is being recorded by a local TV network, and it broadcasted all over the city. Everyone sees that on the giant screen, even NJ, who is heading home with her groceries. But they didn't stop there. They break into a hotel room, leaving their costumes. They spend the night together. After doing their things, they don't talk. Peter didn't ask why she broke into that building, why there was a dead body. He didn't talk about Diablo, not about their own relationship. Peter is nervous, getting this close without his mask. It scares him. He knows he can trust her, but it's also difficult to say no to her. Peter is thinking a lot, so Cat tells him, just wait until the morning, then they can play grown-up. So Peter falls asleep, but 6 hours later, Peter is woken up by a scream. A honeymoon couple who should be using this hotel room. Felicia is gone. Peter gets awkward, gathering his costume. He quickly escapes, but today, Peter is happy. After all the bad things going on in his life, he just realizes he woke up from the best night's sleep he has had in months, and it happened because of Felicia. So what are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments, and if you like this one, then please subscribe and turn on the notifications. That way, you can never miss the future uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Everyone stay safe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.